Electroglas competes in the wafer test segment of the semiconductor equipment market. Specifically, we make probers that are used with probe cards and testers to perform the wafer testing function. We have a new 300 millimeter product, the EG6000, which we've had a great deal of success with in terms of getting customers evaluating and choosing the product. And now Amcar represents the first large customer to place a large volume order with us. We provide both hardware and software. We provide software with a product we call the Sort Manager that manages what is called the wafer test or sort floor for our customers. We provide that in conjunction with the 200 and 300 millimeter products. When you're testing wafers, it's very important to make sure that you do not damage the wafer during the test process. And what our technology is able to do is move the wafer against the pins of the probe card in a way that doesn't scratch the pads of the chip or damage the chip in any way. This gives the customer a large advantage in terms of the yield of good chips per wafer. And obviously this turns into an additional revenue and profits for them. Electroglas has traditionally been the leader in wafer probing, and in 200 millimeter we continue to have close to 30% market share. What we see over the next 2 to 3 years is gaining 30% market share in the 300 millimeter space, and that'll more than double or triple our revenues over that time. Additionally, we're finding that our technology can be used outside of the wafer probe area. In other words, we're using our technology in print applications, in microassembly applications, and even in such applications as printing DNA on glass substrates. So we see a huge revenue stream coming out of those that hasn't really been reflected yet in the price of the stock. So we see a company that today is in the $50 million range, growing to $250 million over a 3-year period, and we're very excited about that.